Hello pioneers, and welcome to our first Midpoint Hackathon showcase. We've received a variety of midpoint progress videos, and we are excited today to showcase a few that display our community's potential and the excitement in building the Pi Network's ecosystem. However, note that these projects are not fully developed yet, and their selection does not affect their chances of winning. Pi Network all set to launch its utility apps platform. Pioneers welcome. The Pi Hackathon is an opportunity for the Pi community to develop applications on the Pi apps platform that will create real-life utilities and infrastructures. Watch the video till the end to learn more about the judging criteria and app ideas the core team would like to see built. Welcome to another topic video. Today we will be giving you updates on the Pi Network. Without any delays, let us get started. As the Pi Network core team, we'll be looking at reviewing community applications. The Pi core team will look for polished projects that adhere to the following criteria. 1. Current usability and accessibility. 2. Workable and useful utilities. 3. No detrimental bugs. 4. Refined user flow and experience. 5. Increase in pioneers' engagement. 6. User growth for the app itself and the Pi platform through organic growth mechanisms. 7. Community ratings. Transaction ability through proper integration of Test Pi. Will be focused on community apps with 1. Loyalty program app, and the 3rd local store owners can use to digitize their loyalty programs if they are still using paper cards. When was the last time you visited a boba tea store and they still had to stamp a physical card for you? Well, imagine this store could show you a QR code and accomplish the exact same thing in 1 second through the Pi browser. Store owners can not only create modern loyalty programs but also strengthen their Pi earning teams. Pi Hackathon of Ideas. To News app, a crowdsourced news posting platform where pioneers can post, comment, upvote and reward others using Pi. 3. Image/art/NFT app, an art/image sharing platform for community engagement with user-produced content. This may include a kind of NFT marketplace/gallery to discover and purchase NFTs with Pi. For Game apps, a project where pioneers can play games with each other or against a global leaderboard. Features for sharing API will be important to improve the game's interaction structure. Emphasis should be placed on social integrations such as push notifications, leaderboards, competitions, etc. 5. Quiz apps, a platform where pioneers can post and take fun quizzes. 6. Survey app, a platform where market researchers and academics can post surveys that pioneers can fill out to earn Pi. 7. Marketplace apps, a platform where pioneers can buy/sell goods and services with Pi. 8. Social apps, a community platform where pioneers can interact with each other, for example, to chat dates, meet up, share profiles, etc. 9. Decentralized finance app, a transaction platform through which decentralized loans and tokenization of real-world assets, real estate, gold stocks, etc. can occur between pioneers to provide liquidity for Pi assets. Pi Hackathon of Ideas. As we know, Pi Network, the innovative projects bringing crypto mining to the masses, recently announced its plan to release a new platform to build apps on the network. The platform will provide a means for the entire network to build apps, create value, and contribute to the growth of the ecosystem. The utility apps platform is due for launch on June 28, marking the occasion of Pi 2 Day. On this day, the Pi Network will also unveil its month-long hackathon for community developers. The hackathon will encourage developers to build Pi apps and projects on top of the newly launched utility apps platform and showcase their progress to earn rewards. Fire has been under development since 2018 and is currently in tested mode with over 10,000 connected nodes. After the conclusion of the testnet mode, the mainnet of Pi Network will launch toward the end of 2021. The launch of the utility apps platform and hackathon is a part of this bigger picture to build the Pi Network's ecosystem and real-life utilities. Cryptocurrencies have seen tremendous growth over the past decade, but their popularity also increased the difficulty of cryptocurrency mining. In the early days of Bitcoin, you could mine using the processing power of a personal computer. As of today, mining cryptocurrencies requires specialized hardware such as ASICs that are cost and energy intensive and accessible only to a few. The extensive resource allocation needed to mine cryptos creates a monopoly in the market, leaving most people out of the crypto revolution. To solve this issue and bring more people into the crypto world, Pi Network aims to enable people to mine crypto assets using a basic processing device such as a smartphone. The network is said to achieve this using an improved and more decentralized variation of Byzantium fault tolerance. Instead of nominating a leader, the network claims to depend on a set of nodes reaching consensus on a block through a system of voting. In addition to this, Pi also uses an extra layer that lets individual nodes decide whether or not they can trust other nodes, rather than depending on a central authority to decide the set of voting nodes. According to the Pi network, this consensus protocol consumes very little energy, which allows users to mine from a smartphone without any hassle. Anyone who wants to mine Pi can do so by downloading a mobile application on their smartphone. With over 18 million engaged users around the globe, Pi is the most popular digital assets that can be mined on a smartphone. The value of Pi is currently zero, and the network aims to realize its value by creating use cases where people can use Pi to trade goods and services. As the innovation keeps going forward, cryptocurrencies have become well known across the globe for the transparency and decentralization they create in the financial ecosystem. But due to a mining mechanism that is inaccessible to the majority of the people, we fall back into the trap of centralization and monopoly. As of today, only 6 mining pools dominate the Bitcoin mining activity. In the pursuit to find real-world use cases of cryptocurrencies, we need projects like Pi that aim to decentralize not just the technology, but also people's access to it. This ensures that more and more people join the crypto revolution and push towards mass crypto adoption. The developer Hackaton and the utility apps platform will be a great way for Pi to foster a decentralized development of its ecosystem. Introduce this project to more people and head toward the launch of its main net. Is Pi network legitimate or a scam? As with all new cryptocurrency and digital coin projects, it's difficult to know for sure whether it's legitimate or a scam. In other words, be careful about handing over more personal data than you're comfortable sharing. The app is also built on highly nascent and unproven technology. Although lofty promises are made, there is zero guarantee this network will have a future. It is far too early to tell if the coins being earned will be worth anything. Because of this, users should be wary of committing too much time to the app and be happy with the level of personal data they are handing over. The combination of the need for recruitment and promises of future riches is a classic sign of a pyramidal structure. However, Pi network can't technically be described as a pyramid scheme as no money has changed hands yet. He said the adage "there's no such thing as a free lunch" is also worth remembering here. It pays to take a step back and scrutinize the proposition. That will be all, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any business proposal for us, kindly use the mail address in the description below. And if you are thinking of starting your crypto journey, kindly use the Binance link.